Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to copy captions from any TikTok video easily. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and let's say you want to copy the caption of this specific video. Next, take a screenshot of the video. Once the screenshot is taken, open it in your Photos app. Now, with the screenshot open, tap and hold on to the caption text displayed in the image. This action will highlight the text, allowing you to select and copy it. Tap on Copy, and the caption will be successfully copied to your clipboard. That's how you can easily copy the caption from any TikTok video. If your phone doesn't have this text highlight feature, don't worry. I will show you another method. Go back to your TikTok video and press the share button. Then click on the copy link to copy the link of this specific video. Now go to your browser and paste the link here. This will open the same TikTok video in your browser. Next, click on the More option button on the left and select the three dots. In this drop-down menu, click on Request Desktop Website to open the app's desktop version. Now you can easily copy the caption of your video and paste it anywhere, and that's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.